back to my channel. It's me again, Maz Vlog. And today's video, mag-unboxing po tayo ng Dji Osmo Mobile 3. Actually, this one, napanalunan ko lang po siya sa isang event ng isang kaibigan kong vlogger. You can check them out at Gel and Mel Vlogs. Sila po yung nagpa-event doon at isa po ako sa mga mapalad na nanalo. So, let's do the Dji Osmo Mobile 3. So from this box, we have the wrist strap, dust bag, charger, our cable wire, and the user's manual. So this is the user's manual. They have these different languages. And finally, we have this Osmo 3 gimbal, mobile gimbal. So how to operate this gimbal? And we need to know the parts of it. So we need to unfold it. This is how it used to be if it is unfold, and I will show you the buttons. This is the power. This is to take photo or video, and from this one, the power, you can switch between photo and video. So this is the joystick for turning left and right and going up and down, and this one you can zoom from here. And of course, this is the charging terminal. And from here, you can use also to charge your phone. Or for full function, guys, you can download the DJI Mimo app. You can download it from App Store and Google Play. This is the exclusive app for this one to see, because from there, from the app, you can instantly edit your videos using that app. And you can see the specs and the instruction how to use the gimbal and other DJI products. So let's try to attach the phone. So they have this here, arrow here. They have this arrow here. So the camera of the phone must be at this side. So once you put your phone on this one, you need to balance it. So from here, you can drag it to put at the middle. So this is the clamp. You can drag this one to put it on the middle. And how to balance the phone? Like this. So this means it's not really balanced. One side is. So from here, must be straight, and even you put it like this, the phone should be straight also, so you can take the proper capture and proper balancing of your gimbal. So let's turn it on. I just turn it on so you can see the light there. You can see the indicator of the battery. And once this open, also the Bluetooth is also open, so you can connect it to your phone to get the full function. Of course, you will open the Bluetooth of your phone. So let's connect. So this is the gimbal. You can just select that one. You can just pair it. So now we will try to use, as you can see, it moves up, moves down, right, left, so this is the use of the joystick. Smooth. It's very smooth. Napakadali po siyang gamitin. And from here, you can switch from photo to video. So now it's in the photo mode. It's too bright, you can see. So what is the difference between the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and DJI Osmo Mobile 4? Actually, the Osmo Mobile 4 is magnetic already. Unlike this one, the clamp is still attached on the thing. While in Osmo 4, this one is magnetic already. So this one, they have only this thin, like this thing that you will attach on the phone, and whenever you want it to use, you just stick it on the magnet. And when it comes to weight, the Osmo 4 is a little bit lighter. The Osmo 4 is 305 grams, while the Osmo 3 is 390 grams. When it comes to battery, they can stay until 15 hours, both of them. I think it's the only difference is the weight and the size, because the Osmo 4 is a little bit smaller when it's folded also. That's it, guys. That's the feature and step by step how to use this Osmo 3. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be get updated whenever I have new videos. You can join also my channel membership with a minimal price, with special perks, and be a part of my outreach program. Thank you and God bless.